Hi friends, this is Jennifer Durham again. I'm back with your Norwex update. Okay, I've had a lot of questions about how does the microfiber work and what do you do with it and how is this different than chemical cleaning. So I want to explain to you the difference between chemical cleaning and mechanical cleaning. Okay, chemical cleaning is when you take a chemical and you expect it to do the job and you wipe everything off with the chemical, like you see those name brand things that say that they kill 99.9% of the COVID virus, of any other virus, of bacteria and whatever, and you're getting that all clean, you think, okay? But what they're not telling you, or what they are telling you, that people don't pay attention to, is when you read the back, it has to sit wet, visibly wet, for a certain amount of time in order for that disinfecting to actually occur. It's not instantaneous, okay? So there's one with chemical cleaning. Two, let's say that we actually did wait that time, the amount of time for it to be visibly wet to kill the bacteria and viruses that it promises. It kills them, but then it leaves their dead shell behind. And so they're still there. They're just dead. Okay, so that's chemical cleaning. Mechanical cleaning is when you take a microfiber cloth. So one of these strands is like 1/600th of a human hair. They're so tiny. They're woven together with silver, and that'll be important in a minute. I'll let you know why. But what happens is that's what the back cloth is called. So this is the EnviroCloth. So what happens is you take this cloth, the EnviroCloth, you fold it into quarters after it's damp and you wipe it across the surface. I'm sure that you've seen some of the other demos that I've done, and it removes all of it. It just removes it. It's not there. We're not waiting for it to die. We have taken it away. Okay. So it's in the rag. Okay. And so the rag then purifies itself with the silver. So the water didn't clean anything. The rag removed it. Okay. And then the silver that's in the rag is what purifies the rag. So it doesn't get moldy. It doesn't stink. It doesn't smell. You can clean your bathroom with it. You can rinse it out until it runs clear. And then turn right around and clean your kitchen with it. Rinse it out till it runs clear. Clean your living room with all of the same rag, all of the EnviroCloth if you want to. The window cloth is that EnviroCloth's best friend. It comes in different patterns. The window cloth is usually the one that has like really pretty flowers on it, or it'll have leaves on it, or they're running a special where if you order a certain kit, you'll get one with like blue stripes on it. It's the pretty one, and it feels silkier, okay? So it's EnviroCloth's best friend because it's the polisher, it's the shiner, it's the dryer, okay, of things. It's not necessarily cleaning it anymore. It's just getting the water that's left behind. Like when I wash my toilet, for example, if this is wet and I wipe off my toilet, then my toilet is damp, and then I'll use this to dry it. You know, when I wash my windows, I'll wash it with this. I'll get all the grud and dirt off of the windows with this, and then I'll use this polishing cloth to dry it. Okay, so there's that. So they're best friends. They can come together even in what's called a basic package. Okay, so you can get those together and you can clean the vast majority of your house with this. If you didn't want to buy a dusting mitt, you don't have to. You could use this for dusting. You could use this for spills. You could use this on your counters, in your bathrooms. We already talked about all the other rooms in your house, in your bedrooms. If you have an issue with somebody spills something on the carpet, you could absolutely use this to help dab it up because it's what it is. It's absorbent. It sucks it all up. And that's the purpose of it. But my personal favorite, and mine is damp right now because I've been using it, it's what's called the kitchen cloth. Not to be confused with the kitchen towel, the kitchen cloth, okay? And I like it because it's a smaller size. So see how big this is. And then when we pull out the EnviroCloth, by comparison, it's quite larger. You can still fold it into quarters, but it makes us smaller and my hand is smaller, and so it helps me clean it. It does the same exact thing. It is like the EnviroCloth, only it says kitchen to help you sort it out for different rooms. Another thing I like about the kitchen cloth is that it has this sort of diamond pattern, so I feel like it's a little bit more aggressive. Sometimes when things are stuck on my counters or stuck on my kitchen table, I use this to scrub it off a little bit, and so it's super easy. It's personal preference. They have a really cute container. These come in all different colors. They have a really cute container that these actually fold and sit in, and that you can pull them out of, like that container sits on your counter. You can pull them out and use them in replacement of paper towels. So if you're interested in learning more about Norwex, please follow my link. It's in my bio, and I look forward to answering all of your questions. Thanks.